Hi, my name is John.
And my name is Alice, and you're watching Math Videos for Parents. We help you so that you can help your kids with math. And today we're talking about doubles and near doubles facts. And John, I have to tell you, growing up, I don't think we were taught doubles and near doubles facts. So I have absolutely nothing to add to this conversation to start. I'm going to turn it right over to you so you can kind of talk us through it.
Sure. So a doubles fact we say is a number that we can get by basically decomposing it into two of the same numbers. So for example, the number 6 would be a doubles fact because I can group 6 objects or tiles or blocks, whatever object you'd like to use. I can group them into two sets of 3. Just like this, so that there's the same amount of both. Oh, there's one hiding. The same amount of both in each row. So I would say that I'll use a different color. I will say that 3 plus 3 equals 6 is a doubles fact because I have 3 tiles here and the same amount another 3 here. So since I have 2 of them, I could double the 3 to get 6. Now, you might recall this from maybe a different grade level or another concept. If you double 3, 2 times 3, that you get 6. That's really what's happening here. But in second grade, students learn it very visually, that if they have even amounts of a number, that becomes what we call a doubles fact.
Okay, so because everyone can get paired up, then we've got a doubles fact on our hands. Okay.
Exactly. Yep.
And I assume the idea is it's a little easier to do mentally when you're kind of thinking about it in that sense.
Correct. And notice we don't use the word equation or anything like that when we write this out. It's just a fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So something students can remember and take it as a fact because it's true.
I see. I always thought of a fact as like the earth is round. But 3 plus 3 equals 6 is also a fact. Okay, good to know. Excellent. What about near doubles? It sounds like a tennis match.
Yeah, it definitely does. So near doubles means that not everything can be broken up into two sets of the same amount of objects or tiles. So if we look here, we might notice that we have a doubles fact lurking within, right? We have in each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tiles or cubes or whatever objects you want to use. And we might remember as a doubles fact that 7 plus 7 is 14. If I double 7, if I have 2 rows of 7, that adds up to 14. Now, I happen to have an extra block here. So I basically need to just add 1 onto my double. That's what we call it a near double because it's only 1 block away from the doubles fact that we have. So I adjust for that by just adding 1 block into the second row. So the first row, I still have my 7 blocks. In the second row, I now go up by 1 to have 8 blocks. So what exactly does that mean? If I go up 1 block in the second row, that means I'm going up 1 block from 14, my double, to a near double. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. And writing it out this way again, these are all facts. This is all equivalence. 7 plus 8 is the same thing as 14 plus 1 is the same thing as 15. And we sort of derive it from this base doubles fact. We're just one off, so we call it a near double.
And the interesting thing is, really, any fact, if you will, is could either be a double or a near double because it'll only be at most 1 over a double. Because if it's 2 over a double, now you've got another pair, and now it's a
Exactly.
double.
Yep, you can regroup
Oh,
them for sure. Yep.
it's beautiful. Math is beautiful. All right, this is very interesting. I am very excited to try a few problems.
All right, let's do one.
All right, great. So on this slide here, I'm going to tackle the problem on the left first. So we've got 4 plus 4, and we can see here we've got everyone's got paired up. We've got a row of 4 blocks and another row of 4 blocks. So that's a doubles fact. So I would just say, okay, 4 plus 4 is going to give me 8 because they all paired up so nicely. Then I'm going to go on to the next problem. And in this case, the blocks have not been arranged for me. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Let's put them in order and see if they pair up or not. And so you can see what we have here is a near doubles fact because we have one block that isn't going to be paired up. So what we would say is, okay, if I want to work this out, 4 plus 5, I could say, okay, well, that's a near doubles. It's very close to 4 plus 4. So I'm going to say it equals 4 plus 4 plus 1. And then I could say, okay, that's going to be 8 plus 1. And that's going to give me 9. So that's a near doubles fact. And John, this brought up a memory that I had in my elementary school days of whenever we went on field trips, we all had to have one buddy. And the idea was like you kept track of your buddy, like to make sure nobody got lost, everybody had their buddy. But whenever I was in a class with an odd number of students, then there would always have to be like a group of three students that were buddies because it was a near doubles. And one day I got to be in that group and it was so fun to have 2 buddies that day.
Awesome. Yeah, so I think this video helps everybody better understand what a double fact is and what a near doubles fact is, and how the idea of matching up, pairing up blocks or numbers or what have you, can be taken as a fact for students, and they can use that fact to find other ways to find sums. So great job.
Wonderful. Excellent. Thank you so much for joining us. Please reach out to us if you have any math topics you really want us to cover. We're Math Videos for Parents. Please subscribe to our Facebook page and to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much.
Have a great day.